Okay, this is Florence, the mathematics user, and we are still on coordinate geometry. This is our fourth lesson. And today we want to look at finding the equation of a circle when a diameter is given. So the question says find the equation of a circle with AB as diameter where A 1 negative 1, B 4 1. Now let's do this. Let's sketch a circle and this is our diameter. This point is A and this point is B. Now, let's assume that we have a point here P, which is xy. Now, this is what we are going to do. We are going to join them. When this is joined to this and this is joined to this, we obtain a right angle over there. So now, when we look at AP and BP, because they form an angle of 90 degrees, we can say that they are perpendicular. So AP and BP are perpendicular. Now, from what we've learned under coordinate geometry 1, if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient, that's the product of the gradient of, let's say, AP is M1 times that of B, which is M2, must give us negative 1. So therefore, we can find the gradient of AP, then we multiply by the gradient of PB, and we must obtain negative 1. So let's see. Gradient is giving us change in y over change in x. So this is for AP. Multiplying that of BP, change in y over change in x, must give us negative 1. So let's see. So y minus 1, which is y minus 1, over x minus 1, multiplying, let's come here, y minus 1 over x minus 4 must give us negative 1. Now, when we continue, we shall obtain this. Y plus 1 on x minus 1 multiplying y minus 1 over x minus 4 is equal to negative 1. So this is what we have over here. Okay, so let's see. This will multiply this. Let's go. Y times y is y squared. Y times negative 1 is minus y. 1 times y is plus y. Then 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Over x times x gives us x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. The negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. Is equal to negative 1. So here basically we'll cross multiply. And negative 1 will multiply the whole of this. So we have y squared minus y plus y minus 1 is equal to negative 1 multiplying x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4. So let's see. Negative y plus y will go away. We'll obtain 0. So we have here y squared minus 1 is equal to. Here we have negative x squared. Now, negative 4x minus x is negative 5x. Times negative 1 will give us plus 5x. Then negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Now, let's group the terms. So we have y squared here. Or let's even bring the x squared first. So negative x squared becomes positive x squared plus y squared plus 5x becomes minus 5x. We already have negative 1, then plus 4 is equal to 0. We have x squared plus y squared minus 5x plus 3 giving us 0. And this becomes the equation of the circle. And there are other ways of getting the equation of the circle. This is Florence, the mathematics tutor.